Windows 11 bootable US flash drive tutorial. You need 8 GB US flash drive minimum recommended. Download Windows 11 ISO and Rufus software. Follow this video tutorial. Download Windows 11 ISO. Copy link and paste to your browser. Link is in description below. Download Windows 11 ISO. If you finish download Windows 11 ISO, let's go to Rufus software download. Copy link then paste to your browser. Link is in the description below. Download Rufus 3.14. Open Rufus downloaded files. Follow this picture. Select Windows 11 downloaded ISO. Click Start. You have now a bootable Windows 11 US flash drive. How to install Windows 11 on link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please follow and subscribe.